guys. I've been wanting to make a video on this for super long. Well, stay tuned for this video, guys. Also, also be tuned for Puppy Playtime Chapter 1, Chapter 2, and Chapter 3. Stay tuned and remember, subscribe.